Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're diving into something that redefines the meaning of ultimate luxury and performance on wheels, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a futuristic masterpiece that combines hypercar DNA with the elegance and comfort of a high-end motorhome. Bugatti has always been known for pushing boundaries, and with this model, they've taken innovation, power, and craftsmanship to an entirely new level. From the very first glance, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome commands attention with its bold and aerodynamic design. The exterior follows Bugatti's signature design philosophy: sleek, sculpted lines with an aggressive yet graceful stance. The massive front grille carries the iconic Bugatti horseshoe shape, seamlessly integrated with adaptive LED matrix headlights that look like the eyes of a beast ready to conquer any terrain. The body is built using ultra-lightweight carbon fiber and titanium, giving it both strength and agility. The paint finish features Bugatti's new ChromaFlux coating, which changes color subtly under different lighting, giving it a futuristic glow as it moves. The side profile is pure art, with retractable aerodynamic flaps, sculpted vents, and a panoramic glass roof that flows smoothly into the rear, creating a perfect blend of elegance and power. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a private luxury suite on wheels. The interior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is crafted with the finest materials in the world: hand-stitched Italian leather, polished aluminum, crystal accents, and carbon fiber trims that give it a blend of sophistication and sportiness. The ambient lighting is fully customizable, wrapping the cabin in soft hues that adapt to your mood or driving mode. The front cockpit is inspired by Bugatti's hypercars, featuring a digital glass dashboard with an AI-powered interface that responds to voice commands and gestures. The steering wheel features haptic feedback and integrates drive, comfort, and sport modes at the touch of a button. Moving toward the living space, the Bugatti Motorhome brings luxury travel to a new dimension. It features a retractable lounge area with massage recliners, a 75-inch 8K OLED smart display, and a premium sound system tuned by Bang & Olufsen for an immersive experience. The kitchenette is compact, yet ultra-modern, with smart appliances, an induction cooktop, and a voice-controlled coffee machine. The master bedroom features a queen-size floating bed with memory foam, a skylight above for stargazing, and adaptive climate control for perfect comfort. Even the bathroom feels like a high-end spa with a rainfall shower, touchless fixtures, and self-cleaning glass walls. Every inch of the interior reflects Bugatti's obsession with perfection and detail. Under the hood, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome doesn't compromise on performance. It's powered by a hybrid quad-turbo W16 engine, paired with an advanced electric drive system that together produce an astonishing 1,800 horsepower. This allows the massive motorhome to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 4 seconds, something no other luxury RV can match. The advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and off-road assist mode ensure it glides smoothly whether you're on highways or mountain trails. The onboard AI continuously monitors road conditions and adjusts the drive dynamics for maximum efficiency and safety. When it comes to price, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome sits at the very top of the luxury spectrum. The starting price is expected to be around $5 million, depending on customization and special requests. Each unit is hand-built and fully personalized according to the buyer's preferences, ensuring exclusivity at every level. In short, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a moving statement of power, elegance, and advanced engineering. It combines the thrill of a hypercar with the comfort of a 5-star hotel, designed for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. If you're fascinated by the future of luxury travel, this is a machine you'll never forget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more incredible reviews of the world's most futuristic vehicles.